it's Lynette here, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, it would mean the world to me if you could click that subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to see more content. So, as the thumbnail and the title suggests, I have the ASOS box for the month of May. Quite late in coming out this month. There were 2 boxes this month, and I was lucky to get my hand on one of them because my good friend got in touch and said they've released the box. So I went online and out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. So I refreshed it a few times and I managed to get the box. However, there was another box released of hair products and I didn't even see that one. And when I found out about it on Facebook, it was obviously out of stock. So this is a hair repair box, but the box that I actually wanted to get my hand on was the box for textured hair. Now, I think a lot of people might have got that box because it had Olaplex in it, because it's quite expensive. However, the products in there were only really suitable if you've got textured hair. So my hair isn't really mad curly like some people's hair. It's a 2C, I reckon, on a good day. But the products in the other box were Cantu, and I think one was a curl pudding, which was a curl stretcher. So just a really good box if you did have a curl in your hair or textured hair. However, I'm not complaining. I'm really happy I managed to get my hands on this box because it's got some fantastic products in it. However, I don't know if I'm going to show these boxes again on my channel. Even if I managed to get my hands on one, it's just been luck that I've managed to just keep pressing that refresh button and pick them up. I still need to draw last month's box, and I'll do that and I'll send it out to the winner. However, the point in me showing you these boxes is so that you can say, yep, these boxes are fab. And I just got a message pop up there, so I was like, what's that? These boxes are fab. I'm going to go over and I'm going to get a box. However, by the time I get this, you know, by the time it's even out, it's sold out in minutes. Really, really is. So even though I've ordered this yesterday, I've got it today, I'm putting the video up, there's no chance you're going to get this box. And I really do wonder what the point is in showing you it, because I almost feel like here's what you could have won. That's what it feels like a bit to me, like rubbing people's noses in it. So I don't know for how long I'll continue, if I'm lucky enough to be able to get the box. And I'm not going to say I'll never go for the box again, because they're fantastic value. For £12 you do really get a lot for your money. On the side here it tells me that it's the repair box, and there's a 69% saving on the items in the box. So as always, you open your box and you get the little card, and it tells you a little bit about the products. Comes nicely wrapped up. It comes in a big box as well. So I'm going to pull out the first product. I actually thought this was something different, but it's a brand I've heard of before. It's Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. Now, if you know me, I love a scalp scrub. So I'll show you that there. And what does it say about it? It says, say scalp 5 times over and try to feel sexy. Well, get to know me. It tells you wet and part hair. Take a pea-size amount of scrub and gently work into the scalp. Continue to part and repeat until your scalp is covered. Lather and rinse. Follow with shampoo to aid rinse out. This is an Australian brand as well. And Frank Body, are they the brand that uses the, yeah, caffeinated? But there's one of the brands that uses recycled coffee grounds. So I will open it for you because I am going to use it. I've not been adding items to my, when I'm getting new items, because I'm trying to use up what's in my inventory, I've not been opening new products, but I will get round to this one soon because I do have a scalp scrub, but I get through them because I love them. Right, okay, so I'm trying to get out the plastic here. So there we go, quite gritty. It's got a lovely smell, minty smell, so that will make your scalp feel stimulated, the minty kind of peppermint. So it's water, walnut shell, alcohol, glycerin, sweet almond oil, pumice, xanthan gum, potassium, a whole load of other things, rosemary, coffee seed extract, and loads of other things, but it says stop using if irritation occurs. But yeah, no, that feels lovely. I know it's not designed for my hand, but yeah, that smells really nice. I'm really going to enjoy using that. So next item is one that I know is quite expensive. It's Living Proof. It says PhD, Perfect Hair Day, Triple Detox Shampoo, so hair and scalp shampoo. Now, I have been trying to find products that don't make my scalp itch, so I'm really hoping that this will detox my scalp to get rid of any leftover kind of products that's in it. I know Aveda used to do one, and I might need to get my hands on that. So this says removes product, which is what I'm looking for, so I'm hoping it really does work well. Pollution and hard water build-up. No hard water in Scotland, luckily. We've got nice soft water. So apply to wet hair, lather, rinse, follow with conditioner. Use in place of your regular shampoo. If you're trying to get rid of hard water build-up, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. I might pop that in the shower tonight, actually. Yeah, the only product that I have found that doesn't make my scalp itch are those Ethique shampoo bars, and I have ordered some more because it just might sound a wee bit crazy, but sometimes I can scratch my head so much that it bleeds, and you know, you don't want to be sitting in public scratching your head, so I just tend to do it. It's more at night if my hair gets hot, gets really itchy. So I'm just looking. I've ordered the shampoo bars, and I think I might just need to stick to those. I thought the ones that I just bought, I can't remember the brands. They're fantastic. There's 92% in natural ingredients. It's got none of the bad stuff that usually upsets my hair, but it's just kind of not done anything. In fact, my hair's feeling quite itchy every day rather than just on the second day, which is why I felt like I needed to wash it every day. Faith in nature. So it's the aloe vera one, and I don't know if it's just that one specifically, but I've stopped using it because I just can't cope. I do have one, I can't remember the brand, but it's a curly hair brand. It's curly girl friendly, and it's quite expensive. It's not Cantu, but it's a brand like that. So I've started using that just now because that came up on my Dirty Works. Is it Dirty Works? I think Dirty as product that had little bad things in it. So I'm going to use that, and hopefully once my shampoo bar arrives, that'll take away the itch. But it's horrible. If you suffer from an itchy scalp, it's just awful. So this next one here is an argan serum, 30 ml, Beauty Works Professional, with argan oil and vitamin E. So it's a daily treatment, rejuvenating treatment formulated with a blend of the finest argan oils to deeply nourish hair and repair split ends. 100% vegan, free of parabens and SLES. I'll show you that there. I love the packaging. It's like something that they would hook you up to in the hospital, the way. Apply a small amount of serum to clean towel dried hair before styling. Alternatively, use as a finishing product to revive and leave hair feeling nourished. So I don't think anything can repair split ends, to be honest with you. I think just getting it chopped. So anyway, I am looking forward to trying that as well. So that can go straight into my product collection. Oh, this is Paradox. I've tried their hair. Was it their whiskey hair oil that came in the little bottle? It was really cute. Repair 3-in-1 conditioner, and it says for silk-like softness. We are Paradox. Now, you're going to be lucky if I can get one use out of this, to be honest with you, because it's very small. 10 mils, is it? 15 mils. So I don't want to tip it out. It's quite, yeah, it feels okay. Yeah, it's got a smell, but I can't identify what the smell is. So yeah, I think I'll get one use. So it's quite hard to kind of review anything when you only get one use, but I am looking forward to trying that. As I say, I'll be moving to my shampoo bars and probably sticking with those. And the item that I think is why these boxes sold out so quickly, and it's why I think the textured box sold out, because people saw Olaplex, even though they might not have textured hair. Guaranteed they just picked it up because of Olaplex. Am I just feeling cynical today? This is number 8, Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Now, it's for all hair types. and I've heard that Olaplex is absolutely wonderful stuff, but it's quite expensive. I'm looking forward to trying this. However, my friend sent me some, it's Superdrug, it's similar to Olaplex, but it's a Superdrug brand, and I wanted to wait until I got my hair done before I used it. And I've not had my hair done for over a year, and I know the hairdressers are open, but I'm really wanting to kind of just grow out the last of the highlights, you know, the kind of goldy yellowy bits at the end. I don't know if that's a mad thing to do or not. I don't know, but I've just been really enjoying growing it out. But I might have to give in and go and get my hair done. But once I get my hair done, I plan on using it. So that's why I haven't used it yet. But I will do a review for you, because I think it's much cheaper than the Olaplex. But my mum and my sister both have fine hair that they dye regularly, and they swear by it. So and they don't have curls, they've just got fine straight hair. And I think when you've got curly hair, it tends to be thicker, the texture tends to be different. I mean, if you wanted to start with kind of I always think it's funny when people talk about split ends. I just think my whole, because of the way that my hair is, I know it's not all split ends, but it looks, until it's straightened, it could look kind of all split endy and horribly. So yeah, I do look forward to trying the Superdrug one and the Olaplex mask. So that was £12, and I've nearly been on for 12 minutes, and I do apologise for whittering on, but let me know what you think. Are you as disappointed with ASOS as I am with their box shenanigans? You know, maybe it's just because they've started to really advertise them that they maybe didn't do before. I do have a year of free deliveries, which is why it makes the box quite, you know, it makes it a kind of reasonable purchase for me if I can get my hands on it, because I pay £10 up front. But if I can't get my hands on the boxes, that's the only thing I order from ASOS. I've ordered the occasional thing to send to a friend from ASOS, because I get the free delivery and it doesn't matter where it's posted. So that was a good thing. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be continuing to show the boxes. Let me know what you think. So I don't want to show the boxes and people are like, well, you got it and I didn't. I am very aware of that, and the point of showing you the boxes is showing you something that you can buy. I know we show sold out boxes, and the boxes do sell out by the time they come to us, but that was yesterday I ordered that. It arrived today and it was sold out in 10 minutes. I've hit the refresh. That's another tip. If somebody tells you the box is out and it's sold out, the boxes only stay in a basket for an hour, and then ASOS the system takes it out the basket. So that's why often if you can't get the box, just refresh a bit later on. I refreshed after about 5 minutes and it came up that a box was available. I know they sell them in other places later, so they must have more stock. Anyway, that's me whittering on. Now I'm in 13 minutes, and if you're still here, thanks for sticking around. I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.